Inner child healing is a transformative journey that allows individuals to reconnect with their past experiences, heal unresolved wounds, and rediscover their authentic selves. It is a powerful process that can bring profound healing and personal growth. In this video, we will explore the meaning and significance of inner child healing, delve into various techniques and modalities used in the practice, and discuss the profound impact it can have on one's spiritual and emotional well being. We assist authors with self publishing and book marketing through engaging videos. We also offer courses and healing services in Reiki, hypnotherapy, tarot, and past life regression for occult enthusiasts. Contact us at blazegoodworks.com or via the details in the description. Understanding inner child healing. What is inner child healing? Inner child healing, also known as inner child work, is a therapeutic approach that focuses on addressing the unmet needs and healing the emotional wounds of one's inner child. Our inner child represents the younger versions of ourselves, embodying our innocence, creativity, and vulnerability. Through inner child healing, we explore and heal the unresolved emotions, beliefs, and traumas that originated during childhood. The significance of inner child healing. The wounds and experiences of our childhood shape our beliefs, behaviors, and relationships as adults. When our inner child remains wounded and unhealed, it can manifest in various ways, such as self sabotage, emotional reactivity, and unhealthy relationship patterns. Inner child healing provides an opportunity to nurture and heal our inner child, enabling us to create a more fulfilling and authentic life. Inner child healing versus karma, a deeper understanding. Inner child healing is often intertwined with the concept of karma, which refers to the belief that our actions in past lives or earlier in this life shape our present circumstances. While karma focuses on the broader scope of cause and effect, inner child healing zooms in on the specific wounds and experiences of childhood that continue to impact our present lives. By addressing these wounds, we can break free from negative patterns and create positive change in our lives. Techniques and modalities in inner child healing. Reiki, channeling universal life force energy. Reiki is a powerful energy healing technique that can be used in conjunction with inner child healing. It involves the transfer of universal life energy through the hands of a practitioner to promote physical and emotional healing. Reiki can help release blocked energy and emotions stored in the body, creating a sense of balance and harmony within. Hypnotherapy, accessing the subconscious mind. Hypnotherapy is a therapeutic technique that utilizes hypnosis to access the subconscious mind. By guiding individuals into a deeply relaxed state, hypnotherapy allows them to bypass the conscious mind and access memories and emotions stored in the subconscious. This can be particularly helpful in uncovering and healing deep-seated wounds and patterns related to the inner child. Breath work, connecting with the body and emotions. Breath work is a powerful practice that utilizes conscious and controlled breathing techniques to facilitate emotional release and healing. By focusing on the breath, individuals can connect with their bodies and emotions, allowing them to release stored tension and trauma. Breath work can be a powerful tool in inner child healing, as it helps individuals access and process repressed emotions. Art therapy, expressing and integrating emotions. Art therapy is a creative and expressive modality that can be highly effective in inner child healing. Through various art forms such as painting, drawing, and sculpture, individuals can tap into their innate creativity and use art as a means of expressing and integrating their emotions. Art therapy provides a safe and non-verbal outlet for individuals to explore their inner world and heal their inner child. The impact of inner child healing on spirituality. Embracing inner child healing as a spiritual practice. Inner child healing can be deeply intertwined with spirituality as it involves connecting with the essence of our true selves and embracing our spiritual nature. Through the healing of our inner child, we can access deep layers of self awareness, self compassion, and spiritual growth. Cultivating self love and compassion. At the core of inner child healing is the cultivation of self love and compassion. By acknowledging and embracing our inner child's needs and experiences, we learn to treat ourselves with kindness and understanding. This practice of self love and compassion extends beyond the individual and can positively impact our relationships with others and our connection to the larger spiritual community. Healing generational wounds. Inner child healing not only benefits the individual but also has the potential to heal generational wounds. Unresolved traumas and patterns can be passed down through generations, impacting the emotional well being of entire family systems. By healing our own inner child, we can break free from these inherited patterns and create a positive ripple effect in our families and communities. Inner child healing is a profound and transformative journey that allows individuals to reconnect with their authentic selves, heal deep seated wounds, and create positive change in their lives. By embracing inner child healing as a spiritual practice, individuals can cultivate self love, compassion, and spiritual growth. Through various techniques and modalities such as Reiki, hypnotherapy, breath work, and art therapy, individuals can access and heal their inner child, creating a sense of wholeness and empowerment. As we heal our own inner child, we contribute to the healing of generational wounds and create a more compassionate and connected world. Thank you for watching. I am Blaze Goldburst, a certified hypnotherapist, Reiki Grandmaster, past life regression therapist, tarot reader, and much more. You can also call me an occultist. We are here to help.